Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to use the Tradingview economic calendar. Alright, it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this at all. Just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done on Tradingview. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first step is to select the economic calendar option. You just go ahead and select the economic calendar option from the menu. This will take you to the economic calendar page where you can view upcoming economic events. And step 2, of course, is to view upcoming economic events. So you can view these upcoming events and forecast. The economic calendar provides a list of upcoming events, including GDP, inflation, and employment reports. Step 3, of course, is to customize calendar settings. So you can customize calendar settings such as filtering events by country and impact. You can also adjust the calendar settings to suit your specific needs. And the fourth step is to learn how to use the economic calendar. So learn how to use the economic calendar to stay informed and make trading decisions. And the economic calendar provides valuable insights into market moving events, so you want to make sure that you're using that. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Tradingview economic calendar. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one.